Hello my dear children, how are you all? This is your computer teacher. Today we will continue with the topic that is more on Windows 7. Today we will do few question answers. So let's get started. First question is, what is Windows Media Player? Answer is, Windows Media Player run and organizes digital media files, both audio and video, available in the computer memory. We can listen to radio stations from all over the world if internet connection is available. This software allows us to play, copy and create CDs, DVDs and copy music and videos to portable devices. So children, yesterday I told you that Windows Media Player organizes our all digital files, audio and video files in the computer memory, and we can listen to the music, we can listen to the radio stations, and we can play, copy and create CDs and DVDs. Now the next question is, differentiate between ripping and burning features. Answer is, when we copy songs from a CD to our computer, then that is called ripping a CD, while when we copy songs from our computer to the CD, then that is called burning the CD. So you could understand what is the difference between ripping and burning. When we copy songs from the CD to the computer, then that is ripping, and when we copy songs from the computer to the CD, then that is called burning. Now the third question is, what is the utility of Windows Media Center? Answer is, we can watch TV, movies and other videos content on our PC if internet connection is available using the Windows Media Center. Means if we want to watch TV shows and movies and other videos on the computer, then we use this Windows Media Center. Now the fourth question is, how will you display two applications windows side by side? Answer is, in Windows 7 we can display two application windows side by side using the following step. First step is, open Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint programs one by one. The PowerPoint window is active at present. Second step is, now right click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. And third step is, click on the show windows side by side option from the shortcut menu. Both the application window will be displayed side by side. So if you want to see two windows side by side, what you will do? You will open the both windows one by one. Then you will right click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar and then click on the show windows side by side option. You will see both the windows will be displayed side by side. Now the question number 5 is, what is meant by the term disk cleanup? Answer is, if we want to remove some unnecessary files from our hard disk to free up disk space and to help our computer run faster, we use disk cleanup feature. It removes all the temporary internal and downloaded program files, empties the recycle bin files and other items that are not being used for a long time. So if we want that our memory of computer should be cleaned and all the unwanted files should be removed, we use this disk cleanup feature. It clears all temporary program files and clears your recycle bin, that is dustbin of your computer. It clear up your computer. So this cleanup feature clean your computer. So children, today chapter 2 question answers are completed. This much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.